Turmeric may be the most effective nutritional supplement in existence. It has major benefits for your body and brain. Now, health benefits of turmeric. So, first is turmeric contains bioactive compounds with powerful medicinal properties. Turmeric contains curcumin, a substance with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Second is curcumin is a natural anti-inflammatory compound. Chronic inflammation contributes to many common Western diseases. Curcumin can suppress many molecules known to play major roles in inflammation. Third is turmeric dramatically increases the antioxidant capacity of the body. Curcumin has powerful antioxidant effects. It neutralizes free radicals on its own, but also stimulates your body's own antioxidant enzymes. Fourth is curcumin boosts brain-derived neurotrophic factor, linked to improved brain function, and a lower risk of brain diseases. Curcumin boosts levels of the brain hormone BDNF, which increases the growth of new neurons, and fights various degenerative processes in your brain. Fifth is curcumin should lower your risk of heart disease. Curcumin has beneficial effects on several factors known to play a role in heart disease. It improves the function of the endothelium, and is a potent anti-inflammatory agent and antioxidant. Sixth is turmeric can help prevent cancer. Curcumin leads to several changes on the molecular level that may help prevent, and perhaps even treat cancer. Seventh is curcumin may be useful in preventing and treating Alzheimer's disease. Curcumin can cross the blood-brain barrier, and has been shown to lead to various improvements in the pathological process of Alzheimer's disease. Eighth is arthritis patients respond very well to curcumin supplements. Arthritis is a common disorder characterized by joint inflammation. Curcumin can help treat symptoms of arthritis, and is in some cases more effective than anti-inflammatory drugs. Ninth is curcumin has incredible benefits against depression. A study in 60 people with depression showed that curcumin was as effective as Prozac in alleviating symptoms of the condition.